Okay, students, let's start our today's topic. That is the last tense of in the tenses category. We call it as future perfect continuous. So, what are the rules for future perfect continuous? We use uh, will have been plus verbs first form plus ing. So, it will be subject plus will have been plus verbs first form plus ing plus since and for. So, Uh, the rest of the thing it will remain the same, like the intention is different from present past. Present, something was started from the past and it has still going on. So that is present perfect continuous. Past, it has started in the past and ended in the past. So that is how in a continuation. So that's how we use past perfect continuous. For the future perfect continuous, intention is something has started from the past and we are assuming in the future as well. For example, he will have been working in this company. So वो इस कंपनी में 2 साल से काम कर रहा होगा. He will have been working in this company for 2 years. 2010 से काम कर रहा होगा since 2010. So this is that you keep this thing into your mind, that you assume that this is happening, and this is how you say in a future perfect continuous. Because connection is from the past and it goes in the future as per you assume. So in the present sentence was like he has been working in this college for 2 years. Past, why he had been working in this college for 2 years. Future is he will have been working in this college for 2 years. So, with the help of this, we can understand the differences between the three of the categories of perfect continuous. So, by this, your all the 12 type of tenses, I can say that these are completed like present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous, similarly past and future. As per your auxiliary and your modals, we started yesterday and we took example of should and should have, and we discussed the case of ought to as well, along with that how we can compare should and ought to. Today we'll discuss along with the tense that is would. Here is past of will. Would is somehow when you expect or when you take permission of something. Like what would you like to take? Like so here we apply only the first form of verb. So mean application of would is basically when you ask for something and like how would you do it? What would you like to do? What would you like to eat? Would you take tea? In these kind of situations, we apply would rather than will. So if you apply will, I don't say that it will be wrong if you say that, what will you like to take? But the more appropriation of would is here because the would is made for such situations. So rather than using will, we should use would in that situation. Now there is another one that is could and could have. Sorry, can or could and could have. So there are three things which comes under this category: can, could, and could have. So can is basically it tells about your ability. I can do this. I can lift 50 kg. I can drink 2 glasses of milk. So you try to basically tell the ability of yours to the others. Sometimes we use can in form of a permission as well when we use it in interrogative way. Can I do it? Can you go there? Okay. So, but basic meaning of can is that is the ability of a person when someone talks. Could is the past of can. Like I could not lift 50 kg. I could not go school. I could not attend lecture today. So in those cases, you were saying that you were wanting, but you could not do it. You were wanting, but you could not do it. So these are the situations in which we apply could not. Okay. Uh, I brief in Hindi like can is basically sakta when you tell about your power. Could is saka. Okay. So that is why मैं ये काम नहीं कर सका. मैं इतना वजन नहीं उठा सका. So in those kind of situation, we use could. Along with there are other application of a could to which we call like when you take the permission of somebody. Then even we use could. Like could you do me a favor? So you're trying to request somebody that if he could do a favor to you. So in these kind of situations, we use could. Could have is आप ये चीज कर सकते थे. It is kind of advice in the past. Like should have was आपको चाहिए था. Could have is आप कर सकते थे. You could have done this work. You could have gone there. Government could have start lockdown earlier. Something like that, where you say to somebody, where you feel like that uh, could have is more appropriate as compared to should have. So we apply could have over there. So these are four auxiliaries: would, can, could, and could have. So as per those auxiliaries, we make sentences. These are the models which are different from tenses. There are situations in which we cannot use only tenses. So apart from the tenses, we have what do you call the application of these auxiliaries as well as. So one we have done, that is future perfect continuous. Second is would. Third is can. Fourth is could, and fifth is could have. Now you all please make sentences on each uh, grammar part we have discussed. So you and me both will make sure that yes, you have understood rightly uh, how and where is the usage of these grammar rules. So please make one sentence on future perfect continuous, one on would, one on can, one on could, and one on could have. Please write down. Write down in the chat box so I can see. Yes, please. Yes, please write down the sentences. Mother will have been cooking food for half an hour. Sir, what should be right? You are not audible. You need to make sentences on each of the grammar we discussed, like your future perfect continues, would, can, could, and could have. You can lift this. Lift this. A lot of students, I think, have joined without Google Classroom. What I'm seeing here, uh, there are roll numbers which I'm seeing they have not accepted my invitation. So I could tell you that if anybody is left. Uh, in my Google Classroom, Noor is there, Suhail is there, Chukveer is there, Avinash is there, uh, Lankha Bahadur is there, then Muhammad Salwan is there, Amit is there, Ariman is there, Akash is there, Abdullah Noman is there, Laishram is there, Govind, Siram, Bankola Johnson, uh, Bankola Johnson, Roshan Kumar, Kajal Gupta, Amandeep Singh, and Harpreet Singh, Rakibul Islam, Sujay Kamble, and Vishal Thakur. Is anyone left? Is anyone left whose name I have not spoken? किसी बच्चे का अगर रहता है नाम तो प्लीज बता दो बिकॉज आपके जो एमएसटीज हैं वो
Yes, sir.
जो एमएसटीज हैं वो इसी के थ्रू होने हैं गूगल क्लास में तो आप लोगों का इसमें ज्वाइन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है if anybody is left please tell me because your MSTs are going to happen only with the Google Classroom. I'm going to pay uh, put my MST paper in the classroom from where you will be able to get the access. So if you are not, so please tell me. Ansel Nazir. अंशल बड़े दिनों के बाद ज्वाइन किया है आपने काफी दिन से आपकी एब्सेंट चल रही थी अंशल नजीर होल्ड ऑन अंशल आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू द इनवाइट इन योर ईमेल so you can join the classroom. Can you please tell me your email ID? That is ggi 2020 dot. Next is what? Ansel.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी बेटा अपना रो ये बताना ईमेल आईडी ggi 2020 डॉट
Email ID.
ये जो आपको दी होगी ना कॉलेज वालों ने सबका बना हुआ है जैसे ggi 2020 डॉट
GGI
हाँ जी
2020
डॉट
15 29
15 15
15 29
15 ऐसे करके बोलो 15
1529
1529 @ggiacn है ना
Yes, sir.
.ac.in मैंने अभी आपको इनवाइट भेज रहा हूँ ठीक है इसको एक्सेप्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी इनटू द क्लासरूम ओके
Okay, sir.
इट इज सेंट एनीवन एल्स
Yes, sir. I am also left.
अमनप्रीत कौर अमनप्रीत कौर आप का मुझे वो बताइए ज़रा GGI 2020 डॉट क्या है आपकी आईडी
1568
1
568
1568. DJ 2020.1568, राइट? आपको भी इनवाइट भेज दिया मैंने,
Yes, sir.
तो आप भी इस इनवाइट को एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए, आप क्लासरूम में आ जाओगे. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? एनीवन एल्स?
यस सर, अमित कुमार.
अमित कुमार जी. अमित कुमार, आप भी फिर मुझे अपनी आईडी बोल दीजिए. आई कैन सेंड यू द इनवाइट. GGI
2020.1642.
20.1642.
यस.
ईमेल में आएगा, ठीक है? तो इसको
ओके
आपने
सर.
एक्सेप्ट करके तो आप जो गूगल क्लासरूम है उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. फिर आप जब भी आप क्लासरूम्स खोलोगे तो आप जो आपकी जो क्लासेस हैं आपको नजर आने शुरू हो जाएंगे उसमें. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
जो मेरे पास इनवाइटेड अभी दिख रहे हैं वो हैं 1328, 1484, 846, 851 एंड 857. ये मेरे को इनवाइटेड दिख रहे हैं, इन्होंने अभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया है. एंड दैट इज अमित विच इज 1642 इनका. एंड देयर इज 1393. These are invited ones. They have not accepted yet. They're in the invitation of points. Okay. So now let me see. Okay. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा देखो what is happening here. He can lift this heavy book. Rahul said he would bring the drinks. He will have been riding bike. Okay. I told him that he could take the rest. He could take the test. Okay. He can learn to drive. He can learn to drive. How could you do this to me? He told me that he would go. How could you go there? You could have joined the group. Could have के साथ सुजय we need to apply verbs third form. So sentence will be he who could have joined the group. तुम ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते थे. You could have joined this group. Would you like a drink? Muhammad Salman Qazi, would you like to go out? Had he remained unbeaten? Had he remained unbeaten after playing? Had he remained unbeaten after playing so beautifully, it would have been icing on the cake. Okay, had he been unbeaten after playing so beautifully, it would have been icing on the cake. चलिए, आपने would have been भी लगा दिया है, हमने अभी would ही किया था. आपने would have been भी कर दिया. It would have been icing on the cake. ठीक है. It should be how he had remained unbeaten after playing so long. It should be how he had remained unbeaten after playing so long. Had he remained unbeaten. Probably he made an interrogative. That's why he's trying to make like that. Kajal Gupta, she will have been writing the no since Monday. Novel, okay, novel. She will have been writing the novel since Monday. वो मंडे से नॉवल लिख रही होगी. ओके. नो ब्रदर. ओके ओके ओके. It's interrogative. Fine, it's fine. No issues. Okay. Now prepare your 5 lines and don't write now. I'm going to ask you that you're supposed to speak today. No, I'm not going to. Now I'm not going to ask you to write down in the chat box. You have done your activity of writing in the chat box. Now what you can do, you're supposed to speak. So prepare your topic as I told you like yesterday. The topic should be topic, okay? So then I'll come to you one by one and you're supposed to speak for, 1 minute or 1.5, whatever, like how much time it will take to speak for 3 to 4 lines. So prepare, and I'm giving you 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, I'll start as the screen it shows to me. Okay, the first name is Harpreet Singh from ENR. So please prepare. Only 3 4 lines, and this time you will not write it, you will have to speak.
किस रिलेटेड सर?
Hmm?
किस रिलेटेड?
किसी भी चीज, any topic, 4 lines on any topic.
ओके ओके. सर चाहे इंट्रोडक्शन जी दे दिए.
हाँ जी बेटा.
चाहे इंट्रोडक्शन जी दे दिए भी मतलब पिछे की किता होनी एक दो दिन च.
Okay, you can start with introduction, but it's better if you speak on something. Speak on
हाँ जी
trees,
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ.
speak on environment, speak on development, speak on whatever you feel like.
My name is Satya Singh. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech in Automation Robotics in Gulzar Group of Colleges. A few days ago, I read an article on wheat protein. It was
Wait.
published by Guruman, an American nutritionist. He told that in his article he told that wheat protein is not good for the small intestine bellies. It damages the bellies and it causes stomachache. So we should prohibited eating the wheat protein and we should start eating wheat without the glutamine and it should help in absorbing the components of the fruit like fats, carbs, and other important micros.
Fine. Uh, just I जो मुझे लगा मैंने recognize किया because you spoke very fast. So instead of read, you should say read. Read is past, right? Read is
Yes,
present. जो हमने पढ़ चुके हैं तो
I
उसके लिए
read.
read
हाँ
है.
जी.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Jay Vijay Kamble, please speak. Sujay, it's your turn. As per my screen.
Yes, sir. Our mid-sem exams are starting from 6th of November. I have started my revision and clear my doubt regarding the subject. This subject, the chemistry and maths would be difficult for me. I have also started.
You have also started. उसके बाद आवाज नहीं आई. I have also started.
Sorry, sir, internet problem. I have also started my English preparations. I have started writing articles regarding my grammar. And for problem solving programming, I've been doing practice for the codes.
Practicing. Good. Okay. Lecture. Huh? मैं Okay, now the next one is Paneshi Joy Chimeni. Panesh Joy Chimeni, I really don't know the exact pronunciation, so you could guide me. What should I call? Are you listening, dear? It's 1662.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. What's your full exact name? What do you call it? Panesh?
Can you come again?
Yeah. What is the right pronunciation of your name?
Yeah, Panashi Joy.
Panashi. Okay. Panashi is okay. So simple way I can call you Joy, right?
Yeah, you're
Okay.
calling it right.
Okay. Joy, now it's your turn. Can you please speak on any of the topic on 3-4 lines?
Like
Please. On any topic. You are from which country?
anything. I'm from Zimbabwe.
Yeah. Can you tell us something about Zimbabwe?
Okay, Zimbabwe is a country located in the southern part of Africa.
Okay.
It is in the Savannah region. The population in Zimbabwe is around 15 million
Okay.
people. And then, yeah, the education system is okay. We do start learning English in grade 1 till we
Okay.
finish Form 6.
So English is your first language or second language?
It's the first.
It's a first language.
Yeah, we have the Shona language for the Zimbabweans, but normally during classes, people use English for the lesson.
English. Okay. So I don't think so that you would find any difficulty in English then.
I won't.
Okay. Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next is Siram. Siram, please speak.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए बेटा 3-4 lines.
Yes, sir. My name is Saram Tumthingam Singh. I am coming from Manipur. My topic is about Manipur. The history of Manipur is a chronicle in the prayers of the Puwaris, namely the Ningthou Kangbalon Saitharon Kumba, Baningthou Tongba, and the Panthoibi Konkul, etc. In the archive messages that accept the which is the comparable to the Thai scripts.
Okay. Good.
And Manipur is a beautiful land in the northeast state of India, sir.
Okay. So where is that Bada Pani situated? Where is that Bada Pani? I think river. There's a river called Bada Pani or Bada River, something like that. Is it in nearby Manipur or I think it is in Shillong?
Yes, sir. Barak River is near Manipur. About the Barak River, I don't know, sir. About.
Okay. Okay. Maybe it's in Shillong, I think. Okay. Good. Thank you. Yes, Vishal Thakur, please speak.
Good afternoon, class. My name is Vishal Thakur, and my topic is right to education.
Good.
The Indian government has given us 6 fundamental rights which we can avail, but the most important, according to me, is right of education. All the children aged below 14 years are allowed.
Your voice is breaking, Vishal.
All the children which are below 14 years have right for free education. The government provides sufficient funds and schemes for their well-being. Thank you.
Only one mistake in pronunciation. Children's नहीं बोलना है. Children is plural.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Leshram, your turn. Leshram Shivdat. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta.
Myself, Lashram Shivdat Singh. I'm from Manipur. Sir, I didn't prepare any topic.
Okay. One thing is for the improvement, don't start with myself. Say I am or my name is. Myself is wrong, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'll listen from you tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Sukhveer, can you please speak? Sukhveer Singh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta.
Can I say that?
Hanji, please speak on any of the topic. Have you prepared on any topic?
No, sir.
चलिए कोई बात. Rakibul Islam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, बेटा. आपने प्रिपेयर किया बेटा कोई टॉपिक? Have you prepared any topic?
I can try.
Okay, good. Yes, please.
My name is Rakibul Islam and I am from Bangladesh.
Okay.
From my early childhood, being an engineer was my one and only dream. That's why I have admitted in GGI for mechanical engineering.
Okay.
Traveling is my favorite hobby. That's why I have chosen a college located so far from Bangladesh.
Fine. Good.
Thank you, sir.
चूज की जगह आपका चूजन आ जाएगा थर्ड फॉर्म. ठीक है. चूजन. ठीक है. So there will be third form. Good. मोहम्मद सलमान काजी. Good बेटा.
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ जी. सलमान बोलिए बेटा.
So my topic is about air pollution.
Air pollution. Okay बेटा.
Sir, air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from the factories, dust, pollen, and molten spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, the gas, is a major part of our pollution in cities.
आपकी दिक्कत आ रही है, कुछ टेक्निकल इशू आ रहा है. चलिए मैं किसी और स्टूडेंट से पूछता हूँ. ओके, काजल गुप्ता, कैन यू स्पीक?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी बोलिए बेटा.
Good afternoon to all. I am Kajal Gupta and my topic is balanced diet. A balanced diet is a one which contains different types of food in the right amount. It contains many different nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals.
Good. Okay, now voluntarily anyone, कोई अपने आप से कोई कह रहा होगी. फरहान खान. Farhan ji, do you wish to speak something?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta.
Sir, my name is Farhan Khan, and this is my first class today.
Yes, that's it. That is why I have said that. You are from?
I am from Kashmir.
Okay, a beautiful place. Can you tell us something about yourself, about you?
Sir, I've been like a big fan of automotives, and also I chose automobile engineering.
Very good.
There is not much to it other than the fact that.
Good, good. Which part of Kashmir are you?
I'm from North Kashmir.
Okay. So, is there any problem regarding net or it's fine
Yes, sir.
now?
We are facing difficulties, so nothing can be done about it at the moment.
Yeah, that's true. But it's your sincerity that you have joined the class. I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, anyone else who would like to speak? Anyone else? Okay, so this was the small activity we did today. So as I told you that we are going to do more on that because I will be working on your writing and spoken part. I am more concerned about these two things. I'll be asking you to write down things. I'll be asking you to speak. So that was very small activity where I have given you the freedom of choosing the topic by yourself. But in upcoming days, I'll make it more bit tricky. So I would ask you the questions. I'll give you the topics. I'll ask you the questions so that you feel comfortable when you speak to somebody. So there'll be the activity to improve your spoken English as well as your written English. Okay. So let me take your attendance now. So Jay Vijay, I have come up to. Yes, automobile. Harnoor, are you present? I've seen you.
Present, sir.
Okay. And
Network issue है
Farhan.
sir थोड़ा.
Yes. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. Farhan is also in, I think, automobile engineering, right, Farhan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm writing a name over there. Okay, Farhan. Anyone else from automobile? Okay, now this turn off. Aryaman Sharma from Tripoli.
Yes, present, sir.
Okay. Kajal Gupta is present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Sohail Singh is present. Sohail Singh. Sohail Singh. Present हो बेटा?
सर प्रेजेंट है वो.
अच्छा present है. ठीक है. Sohail Singh, yes sir. Okay. Sohail is present. Then Abdullah Al Naman is present.
Present, sir.
Beta. Amit from ECE. Amit from ECE present. Okay. Bhupinder Singh. Amit from ECE. Amit from ECE present. Bhupinder Singh. No. Okay. Then Avinash Thakur.
सर वो क्लास ज्वाइन किया था बट उसका फोन डेड हो गया बीच में.
कोई बात नहीं. Vivek Shah is present. Vivek Shah. No. Okay. Then there is a turn of mechanical. Ansel Nari were present. मैंने देखा था उसको. Then Roshan Kumar Thakur.
Present, sir.
Rakibul Islam is present. From Civil, Akash present. Leshram Shivdat present. Sriram present. Vishal Thakur present, I think. Vishal is present, right?
Present, sir.
Bipin Kumar. Bipin Kumar is present. Bipin Kumar Yadav. Shagam present. Sohail Singh present. Bipin Kumar is absent, I think, today, right? And Lavraj Shahi. And Muhammad Salman Qazi is present.
Present, sir.
Yes. Now tell me, anyone else? इसकी attendance ना लगी हो?
Sukhveer Singh from Tripoli.
Excuse me, sir.
एक मिनट. Sukhveer Singh from Tripoli. Yes. हाँ जी, अब बोलिए.
Harpreet Singh from A&R.
Rakibul Islam from mechanical.
एक मिनट. Harpreet Singh from
A&R.
A&R.
Rakibul Islam from mechanical.
Mechanical. रकबुल शायद लगा दी मैंने आपकी, और फिर भी देख लेता हूँ. रकबुल इस्लाम में आपकी लगा दी है प्रेजेंट. और बोलिए. Anyone else? Finash, you have not. Joy, you are not speaking. This is your first class today, Joy?
Yes, it is.
This is first class, okay? All right.
Yes.
So I'm marking your present here. So every day you're supposed to tell like that, So I'm present. So nice. Show it your name.
Present.
Okay. Now tell me anyone else whose attendance is not marked.
So Shriram is present.
Yes, Shriram is present. Fine. लगा दिया बेटा आपकी. Leshram is present. लगा दी.
Sir, Suhail Singh from Tripoli.
क्या नाम बेटा? सुहेल सिंह.
Suhail Singh from Tripoli.
एक मिनट बेटा. ट्रिपल ई से क्या नाम बोला आपने?
सुहेल सिंह सर।
सुहेल सिंह। सुहेल लगी हुई है आपकी? मैंने पढ़ लिया सबका मैसेज। और हो गई सबकी? ठीक है, चलिए मैं जो आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग है वो स्टॉप कर देता हूँ।